Yesterday, the count, following up on that previous story, ended up with 299 reports of severe weather across the country and 39 reports of tornadoes, with the largest cluster down into the Alabama area, and miraculously only one injured out of the entire country from that. So that is definitely some good news. Around here, not great news, as the drought monitor that was issued today has increased the severe drought areas by nearly a third, or 33%, than what it was last week. So now 59% of the state is now included in that. And the extreme drought is beginning to expand. The coverage area is expanded by nearly 2 times, by 175%. So much of the state, while we've seen some little bits and pieces of some moisture moving through, not enough to be doing much of a dent. So we could still use some rain over the next several days. I wanted to show you this also. This is looking at the spring leaf index anomaly, indicating how much earlier or later than normal we're starting to see some leaves pop up on vegetation. In the city of Lincoln, we're down about 7 days ahead of normal, or ahead of schedule, 8 days ahead of schedule in Omaha. So we're seeing the negative. That means we're early. The plus symbols, which there aren't any on the screen, would indicate we are late, and nothing being reported yet in New York or Columbus, but you can see we are definitely ahead of schedule by about a week in most areas as far as seeing some leaves showing up on vegetation. Taking a live look outside right now from Lincoln off to the northwest from Honda of Lincoln, we've got nice blue skies. It took a while to get those clear skies, and with the clearing, we are seeing temperatures rebounding nicely compared to 24 hours ago, where we are up 10 to as much as nearly 20 degrees warmer than yesterday afternoon. It's 48 degrees, the high of the day in Lincoln. It's 48 in Beatrice, 49 in Aurora. We do hit 50s as you head out towards Hebron, Hastings, Grand Island, and Kearney, where it's all 51 degrees as of this hour. Visible satellite imagery showing you the clouds from this morning finally pushing off to the east. It was in Lincoln right around 2 o'clock or so is when the sky started to clear. We've seen lots of sunshine throughout the day out towards the Tri-Cities, and it's not just us. Much of the state has got clear skies back to the west, and because of that, we're going to keep our skies clear tonight, and temperatures are going to drop. It's going to be a chilly start tomorrow morning. You may want to grab an extra blanket. Down to 26 degrees in Lincoln, down to 27 degrees in Beatrice, and 25 degrees in Seward, 24 in both York and Columbus. Not a lot of wind, starting out of the north, shifting around to the southeast by early in the morning. Clouds will quickly be on the increase as we go through the day tomorrow. It will be warmer than today. We should be able to make it up into the 60s. But the other thing we're going to watch out for is just a little bit of moisture starting to come in here. So some scattered showers will be possible. First out towards the Tri-Cities during the early to mid-afternoon. By late afternoon, we'll start to see it moving in towards the Lincoln area, also out towards Seward. Beatrice, it may be more towards the evening before we see any scattered showers coming our way. But temperatures tomorrow again warmer, 62 in Lincoln, 62 in Seward, 64 in Beatrice. Starting to get a little windy again out of the south-southeast, sustained 5 to 15 miles per hour with gusts to 28 miles per hour. Tomorrow evening, if you have dinner plans out and about, well, just know you may want to take an umbrella with you. You may have to turn the windshield wipers on a few times because we will have some showers around. A little more widespread rain as we go through the overnight. That'll quickly move off to the east, and then we should start to see things clearing out around here by early Saturday morning. In fact, I think Saturday itself is going to see a fair amount of sunshine around here if temperatures back up to 62. We'll turn a little warmer on Sunday, but there will be a chance for some scattered showers again, mainly north of Lincoln over the northeastern. It's called the third of the state. 67 Sunday afternoon, 67 again on Tuesday. We'll have 3 days with the chance for some scattered showers by middle of next week. Also turning windy once again for Wednesday and Thursday. And then right now for the Husker game, it's still looking pretty warm with sunny skies, a high temperature of 70 degrees.